today we're gonna talk about conditionals and loops. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is the if and else statement. The if statement is a conditional statement that executes a block of code when a condition returns a boolean value of true. So that means whatever we put in the condition, when it is met and the boolean will return true, it will execute the block of code under the conditional statement. So first, let's try it on, let's say your variable is number, right? Int number, and then your number is 7. Now we're gonna use the if and else statement. So let's start with if, of course. And with if, you're gonna put your condition. So let's say your number, which is your variable, and let's say your number is less than 0. Now if it's less than 0, we all know that's negative. So let's say console.writeLine, the number is negative. Now we have to catch whatever doesn't land on that first condition. So else console.writeLine, the number is positive. Alright, now don't forget to close those, and this shall work. Boom. It says the number is positive because your variable is 7, which is more than 0. So let's change your number. Let's say your number is -5. So your number is -5. This should output the number is negative, which is true. Your number is negative because it is less than 0. Now there is also else if statements that can you can put multiple conditions. So let's say you wanna catch the number 0 because right now you don't have a condition for 0 itself. So else if, let's put else if on the positive. So else if number is more than 0. There we go. It's gonna say positive, and then else, so catches anything. No, let's say else is usually used for errors. So let's say if they add other than a number, I guess, or anything other than what these conditions can't catch, it will just output error. So else if number less than 0 is positive, and then number equals 0, the number is 0, which is neither positive or negative. So right now your number is, let's say your number is 5, right? There you go. So your number is 0, so of course it's gonna output the number is 0. We're gonna add input on our code. So let's say console.writeLine, enter a number, and then we're gonna put int, it's up here, int number equals convert to convert dot to int 32, and then console.readLine. Now this is gonna get user input. So here we go. Oh wait, I forgot to close the things. There you go. Enter a number. Let's say a number is -3000. The number is negative. Now let's try to put another number. Let's say our number is 3. It's gonna the number is 3. It's gonna output the number is positive, and if we say enter a number, George Floyd, error. Now if you put the number is 0 on there, 0, the number is 0. That's pretty much it, and I hope it helped.